Hi everybody. In these problems, sometimes they're going to give you the perimeter and they're going to say, maybe they'll say, we know what the perimeter is. Maybe you bought some fencing to put around some kind of a area in your yard or whatever, right? So you know you got this much fencing and you want to get the maximum area to put that fencing around. So they said, so we don't know anything about the shape, but the deal is, if you don't know anything about the shape, you just have how much perimeter, what the perimeter is, or how much fencing we have in our example. The largest possible area you can get is a circle. You would make a circular area with your fence. So what's the area of a circle with a radius r, right? It's pi r squared. And the circumference of a circle, if you remember, the formula is 2 pi r. So remember, the circumference of the circle is the fence that you're going to put around this circular area. So how would we figure out what the area is that we're enclosing with our fence? Well, first we got to find the r to plug into the area equals pi r squared. And how do we find the r? We use the circumference or the perimeter equation. It's 2 pi r. So you would set equal to whatever the perimeter is, you would set that equal to 2 pi r and solve for r. So you find the r from the perimeter, from the circumference formula, and then you would take that r that you figured out and plug it into the area formula to get what's this maximum area that I could enclose with this amount of fencing. Okay? That's if they tell you you don't know anything about the shape. What if they tell you this fencing is best used in a rectangular configuration? So the thing you got to know about that is if it's a rectangle shape, the largest possible area you can get with a rectangle shape is a square. So what's a square? It just says all four sides are the same, right? So remember, this is the fencing, this is the perimeter. So to find each one of these lengths, which are all the same, you just take that whole perimeter divided by 4, right? So once you get the length of each side, how do you find the area? You just go length times the length, or perimeter divided by 4 times perimeter divided by 4. So that's why if you see a problem where they don't tell you anything about a shape, the largest area is a circle. If they tell you it's a rectangular shape, the largest area is a square. And these are the formulas that you use to solve for the areas. Okay? So I hope that helps.